Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the error is the proxy server is refusing connections in Firefox, then please watch this video. We will stick to two solutions only, but before that, you need to verify whether the proxy connection that you are using, if you are intentionally using it at all, is correct. And if it is, then you should not be facing this issue. Now, if it is not correct, then I will suggest you to disable the proxy server. How? Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties menu. Go to the Connections tab, click on LAN settings, then check the box associated with Automatically Detect Settings and uncheck the box associated with Proxy Server. Click on OK, and that's it. The next solution is a network reset. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings and then select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and then click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.